Alp Material Lifts. Robust, safe, convenient and easy to transport. We offer 5 series with a wide range of different models. Let's start with the LMC series. Compact lifts with lifting heights of between 3.30 meters and 6.29 meters. Maximum load capacity 250 kilograms. Heights range from 1.60 meter to 1.88 meter, so they can be easily transported through standard doorways. Apropos transport, all LMC lifts can be loaded onto a vehicle by just one person, without any additional aid. All our material lifts can be loaded, assembled and operated by just one person. LMC models can be rapidly assembled because the outriggers and loading fork are designed as insert elements. Attach the front outriggers first to stabilize the lift. Release the loading fork from its transport position by undoing the bolt. The fork can now be taken out and inserted into either the lower or, as in this case, the upper position and subsequently locked in place. With the fork in the upper position, the lift can be raised flush to the ceiling. If you need a buffer, then select the roughly 40 centimeter lower position. Drive is via a manual winch on which the brake is activated fully automatically at every holding position, a safety feature which the LMC range has in common with all our material lifts. All Alp material lifts have robust brake guide rolls and 2 large transport wheels. The LM series has a transport height of just under 2.20 meters and, like all our material lifts, it's 76 centimeters wide and will fit into any trailer or vehicle. The LM range, with a lifting height of between 4 meters and 7.50 meters, can carry a load of up to 300 kilograms. As opposed to the LMC range, the front outriggers on these models have to be folded down and bolted. The LH model range is identical to the LM series, with the exception of the drive units. LH models are fitted with an electrically operated hydraulic cable winch. The compact and powerful 230-volt hydraulic drive unit does all the work and is particularly suitable for everyday continuous operation. The LMX500 model, with a height of 1.97 meters, can carry extremely heavy loads. Thanks to its particularly robust design and the stronger rail profiles, this unit is able to carry loads of up to 500 kilograms. Maximum lifting height, 4.80 meters. The base frame is also bolted and secured by nuts. Additional stability is provided by spindle extensions on each side, standard fittings on the LMX. The manual winch is also designed to deal with heavy loads. The lift is fitted with a double crank winch. This lift has proved extremely popular due to the fact that, although capable of carrying huge loads, it can be used for numerous jobs and is easy to transport. Let's look at the extras for our material lifts. The loading fork extension, which can be pushed onto the fork and secured by bolts, extends the length to 1 meter. Whether the operator is working with the conventional or the extended loading fork, a diagram fixed to the unit shows clearly the maximum load which can be transported at the various fork positions. The 2 side outriggers provide additional stability and are particularly useful when carrying long loads. For lifting heights up to 5.75 meters, the customer has the option of working with or without the additional side outriggers. As of lifting heights above 5.75 meters, the outriggers are fitted as standard. The range of extras is completed by a wooden platform which can be securely attached to the loading fork and the double crank winch. Finally, we'd like to present the lightweights in our material lift range, the LL models. These particularly compact lifts, operated either by a small compressor or a gas bottle, will carry loads of up to 125 kilograms. The 2 LL models have a lifting height of either 3.20 meters or 4.60 meters and can be stowed in the luggage compartment of the average car. Our full service is based on a quality management system certified according to EN ISO 9001 and covers everything from manufacture via our global sales network to equipment rentals in Germany and includes our customer service. Take advantage of the flexibility we can offer. Having the ideal personnel lift for a customer's specific requirements is a challenge we can meet with our PHC and PH ranges, as well as our special constructions. All Alp personnel lifts are distinguished by proven technology, outstanding manufacturing quality and the highest safety standards, irrespective of whether for erection jobs like building a trade fair stand, for maintenance and cleaning, or for repair work. Our personnel lifts are true all-rounders. The PHC series is particularly compact for working heights between 6 meters 50 and 12 meters. Depending on the particular model, load capacity is between 135 and 160 kilograms. The PHC range offers other advantages. For instance, all models can be moved by just one person. Elevators and standard doors are absolutely no problem. The transport height of 1,98 m and 77 cm width, the same incidentally as all Alp personnel lifts, ensures convenient handling and easy transport. One person can easily load the lift into a vehicle or onto a trailer. During transport, the lift is securely held by a rail safety device so that even if you have to brake hard, it won't slide about. For horizontal transport, the tank ventilation must be closed. To load the lift, simply place the height-adjustable loading rollers on the sill. It also only takes one person to assemble the lift without any additional tools in approximately 2 minutes. Insert the 4 outriggers into the chassis and wind down the spindle. The spirit level helps to ensure that the lift is level. Once the outriggers have been correctly positioned, a control light indicates the lift is ready for use. Alp personnel lifts are approved for use both in and outdoors. Indoors, they can be fitted with short outriggers. Where space is really restricted, the outriggers can be shortened even further. This is possible thanks to ballast weights, which are inserted into the chassis. The basket side fits flush against the work surface. Due to the wind, when working outdoors, it's essential to use longer outriggers. But here too, we offer an enterprising solution. 2 shorter outriggers can be used at the front if counterweights are placed on the rear outriggers. These weights guarantee the necessary stability. Our PH lifts, which like all our personnel lifts are equipped with telescopic special aluminium profiles, extend to working heights of between 13 and 14 meters. Maximum load capacity is 115 or 135 kilograms, depending on the model. The PH series has a longer rail system as well as struts. The struts connect the main column with the individual outriggers, providing additional stability. With the PH models, the transport support allows the original transport height of 2 meters 30 to be reduced to 1,98 m when tilted. So even these units pass easily through normal doors. A 1.5 kilowatt 230 volt hydraulic motor is standard on all Alp lifts. But our supply scope also includes battery-powered units with either 12 or 24 volts. On request, special drive systems using compressed air, for example, are also available. Customers have the choice of either hand or foot controls. Alp personnel lifts are also distinguished by their high-quality standard equipment. This includes the following: an outrigger control system which ensures that the lift can only be operated if all the outriggers have been fitted correctly. outrigger holders for safe and convenient storage, integrated stacking pockets, and height-adjustable loading rollers which can be varied according to the height of the loading edge. Further standard equipment includes ball-bearing wheels fitted with an easy-to-operate brake. This makes it easy to move the lift in an upright position. Other important contributions to safety at work are the two emergency lowering devices. Should the person working in the basket, for example, suddenly feel ill, another person down below can lower the basket by opening the lowering valve. Another example, someone may be working in the basket when suddenly there's a power failure. Integrated in the switch cabinet is a battery which is kept fully charged during normal operation of the lift, and this battery allows the person in the basket to also open the lowering valve and lower the basket. The following extras are available for ALP personnel lifts: a crane hook as a transport aid, a power supply in the basket, an electrically extendable basket to increase the side reach by approximately 60 centimetres, special wheels for different floor surfaces, an additional control panel for ground operation, and a system whereby the basket can be exchanged for a loading fork. Another extra, guide rollers for transverse movement, making it easier to move the lift sideways. Irrespective of what model and what extras you choose, all ALP personnel lifts have one thing in common: they require only minimal storage space. We also supply special constructions tailored to customers' specific requirements. Perhaps you need a personnel lift capable of carrying 2 people. No problem. Our full service is based on a quality management system certified according to EN ISO 9001 and covers everything from manufacture via our global sales network to equipment rentals in Germany, and includes our customer service. Take advantage of the flexibility we can offer.